Hi, I'm the Astro chap, and in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to install PixInsight on Mac. So PixInsight is a paid piece of software, however you can get a free trial license if you haven't used it before, and this gives you the full piece of software without any restrictions or anything that you can try out for 45 days before you commit to purchasing it. If you then decide that you like it, you can obviously buy a commercial license, which at the time of making it is €250. And once you've done that, you'll get an email with your license key, and you'll be able to log into the download section of the website and actually install PixInsight itself. So under software distribution, you can access the login page using your username and password, which I have already done. And this will allow you to see the available versions of the software for the various different operating systems. So at the moment, these are the two versions that are available, and I'm just going to pick the latest one. And I'm on Mac, so I'll find the row which is for Mac, and I will download this package. So it's a pretty big file, it's a big piece of software, but I've got a pretty quick connection speed, so this will download relatively quickly. And then what we can do once this completes is actually just run the installation and walk through that. So that's downloaded now. So what I'll do is I'll just run the installer. And we can click continue. And then you've got the license information, which I'm just going to agree to or accept. If you want to change the install location, you can do that. I'm just going to use the default. And at this point, the first few steps here, they go pretty quickly. Once it gets to this stage, at the end, the registering updated components, this seems to hang for a very long time. I thought it had frozen when I first did this. Stick with it, it will get there. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fast forward the video until this actually completes, and then we can pick up there. Okay, so that's now completed, and the installation was successful. So we can close this, and we can move the installer to the bin because we're done with it. We don't need that anymore. And then the next thing we can do is actually just launch PixInsight itself. Okay, so it's just loading. Now I've installed PixInsight before, so it already knows my license information, but you'll likely be prompted to input the key for your license if you haven't already done so. The other thing you want to do is actually install the updates. So it will prompt you the first time you do it to install some updates. So even though you've downloaded it from the software distribution page, there's normally some small things that need to be applied. So just click apply, it will download them, and that was successful. And then it doesn't actually install them until you restart the app. So what we'll do is we'll just quit PixInsight and it will prompt you, and then we can do the update and it will restart once it's completed. So this is really quick. And then it should just relaunch. And there we go. Okay, so that was successful. So that's how to install PixInsight on Mac. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.